Today we are going to be talking about US writing, but before we get started, I want us to quickly look at this short clip. Now, you've watched that clip. Are you laughing? What are you doing at the moment? But whatever it is that you're doing, right? Okay. If you're a designer, I'm sure you wouldn't want your users to be in that situation. And if you are not a designer and you probably be in that situation, that's because the US writing was bad. That takes me to today's topic, which is US writing. US writing is different from content writing. What we just look at is content writing. Content writing is just focusing on creating informative and engaging and persuading um, content for blog, for articles, and for social media. But user experience writing, that's US writing. Are you confused? If you are confused, don't be confused. Come back. Let's look at what is US writing. US writing is the process of creating user interface tests that help users navigate and understand a product, service, and experience. It's a crucial part of user experience design, aiming to make interactions intuitive, accessible, and engaging. So with the clip you look at now, you see that the user was confused. It wasn't accessible. So that was a bad US writing. So now let's quickly look at what is the goal of US writing. What is the goal? Why do we want to write a good US writing for our product, for our design? The goal of US writing is to communicate complex information simple, clearly, and consistently, making it easier for users to achieve their goals. Underline it, making it easier for the users to achieve their goals. If you look at that clip we watched, the user wasn't able to achieve his goal. His goal was to sign in to his maybe app or to whatever he wanted to use. But you see that he couldn't sign in because the password, probably he made a mistake trying to type in his password. But because there was no good error feedback, there was problem. So now taking us back to the video we watched, they forgot password, enter password. How would you um, write a good US writing for that? How will you write a good US writing for that? Let's look at it. That clip it says enter password and user enter password. So the best way to do that is to write enter your password. Remember, the goal of US writing is to make the experience easy, intuitive for users. The example I provided follow several principles of US writing. And the enter your password, let's quickly look at the principle that I covered. One, it provides clarity, using simple and concise language to help users understand what they need to do. Conclusion, keeping the context brief to the point, avoiding unnecessary word and complexity. In that way, the user know that they are supposed to enter their password, which is their password, not typing the password that is reflecting on the screen. Accessibility, using language that is easy to understand for users with different disability and language and proficiency. If you say enter your password, someone who is disabled that probably cannot see, when the engine is reading it out to that person, it will simply say enter your password instead of enter password. Now let's go to the second aspect, which is the error handling. It keeps saying incorrect password. I see the man trying to enter incorrect password. So what is the best way to rectify this? You simply enter incorrect password, please double check and try again. How does this now help the user? The rewriting error message example follows several principles of US writing. One, empathy. One, we are apologizing and showing understanding for the user frustration. Clarity is clearly explain the issue and what to do next. Conclusion, keeping the message brief and to the point. Error prevention and recovery, providing guidance to help the user recover from the error. So this example I just presented, it gives the user what the problem is, how to recover from it. I hope this was helpful. Let me know in your comment section um how you handle your US writing, what you've encountered. Remember, the goal of US writing is to make experience easy and intuitive for users. You don't want your users to be confused or their account get blocked or they sign off your platform. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. That's how they say it now. Subscribe, yeah. Subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.